In a world full of black bikes, one man made a different choice.
Yep, I painted my bike neon yellow. No, I'm not okay, but let's talk about it.
Most people go matte black or red. I chose stab you in the eyes yellow. Why? Because I'm not boring, Karen. Also, if I get hit, it won't be because they didn't see me. It'll be because they... This is the Honda CBR 954RR. It's light, it's fast, it's older than some TikTok influencers and angrier than your ex during Mercury retrograde. No, I didn't crash it. I just woke up one day and said, this bike needs to scream louder. Visually.
I painted it myself. It took me two elbows and one mental breakdown.
Some say yellow is the color of madness. Others say it's the color of caution. I say it's the color of fuck, look at me, I'm probably doing something dumb on a motorcycle. It's loud, it's bright, it's the final boss of bike visibility. This is my neon CBR. You can love it, you can hate it, but you can't unsee it. The next thing I have to do to it, I have to put some stickers, maybe here or something like here, or on the bottom like here. Maybe some stickers on the tank, maybe on the front, but I don't know yet. And I have to change this exhaust. I want a short one like this, or something like this. If you have any idea or suggestions on the stickers, write them in the comments below, and see you in the next video. Bye.